Let us evaluate the integral of x by sin x plus cos x as x changes from 0 to pi by 2. So we want to evaluate this integral. Let's call this to be equal to I. We can do it directly without using property of indefinite integral, but it will make our work much easier if we apply property of the definite integral. In particular, 0 to a fx dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So what we do is that we replace x by a minus x and say that integral do not change. So we do the same thing here. We replace x by pi by 2 minus x. We replace x by pi by 2 minus x and say that integral do not change. We replace x by pi by 2 minus x and say that integral do not change. So I equal to this expression and I is also equal to this expression. But we know that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we can write this as cos x. Cos 90 minus theta is sin x. Rest of the expression we can copy as it is. 0 to pi by 2 we copy as it is, dx we copy as it is. Now we see that if we let this one to be equation 1 and if we let this one to be equation 2, then if we add equation 1 and 2 we'll get a simpler expression. So adding equation 1 and 2 we obtain I and I, so we get 2 number of I. 2 number of I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 minus x by cos x plus sin x, that is same as sin x plus cos x. Now we know that integral of sum equal to sum of integral. In other words, we can simply add it and write it as x plus pi by 2 minus x divided by sin x plus cos x. The denominator is same. Now we can cancel x out and we did it. When we do so, we get a much simpler expression. Or we can say that I equal to pi by 4 times integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by sin x plus cos x. Now we know how to integrate 1 by sin x plus cos x. We simply multiply and divide by root 2. We simply multiply and divide by root 2 and write 1 by root 2 equal to cos 45 degrees. So we get pi by 4 root 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by we say cos x cos 45 degree, that's pi by 4 plus sin x sin 45 degree. That's equal to pi by 4 root 2. We know that cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, and 1 by cos is sec. So this is sec of x minus pi by 4. Lastly, we know the formula for integral of sec x. Integral of sec x is simply log of sec x plus tan x. Sec of x minus pi by 4 plus tan of x minus pi by 4. Of course, we need to write the limit 0 to pi by 2. So I equal to pi by 4 root 2 log of sec pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4 minus log of sec of minus pi by 4, but okay, let's write it minus pi by 4 for the time being, plus tan of minus pi by 4. Of course, we need to write modulus there because log of negative quantity remains undefined. So this is equal to pi by 4 root 2 log of sec pi by 4 is root 2, so root 2 plus 1 minus log of root 2 plus 1. So the integral is simply equal to 0.